Big up on yourself, wherever you're watching this live from. Yeah, my name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Tua, and this one here is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. Yeah, first of all, I want to start by thanking every one of you for the massive support that you guys have shown towards my channel. My channel grew up so rapidly this particular month here, and I actually grew from 9,000 subscribers, and right now I'm having 18,000 subscribers. I want to send big shots out to everyone who has subscribed to my channel this month. Thank you so much for joining the family. Yeah, Into Deep Promotions is where we share content from Northern Uganda to the rest of the world. DJ Young, I see you there. Big up on yourself. And thank you so much for joining my live. How are you guys doing? Team Karwate. Big shots out to you. Yeah, actually ITV. Greetings. Jalomera Tinining. Actually Mort Bori. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. I understand. But thank you so much for joining. Big up on yourself. Yeah, so on this day, I want to thank every one of you who has joined my channel this particular month. We managed to grow very rapidly from 9,000 subscribers. And right now, I'm currently having 18,000 subscribers. I don't know how the magic worked, but everything happened so fast. Yeah, so I want to thank every one of you for subscribing and being part of the family, Into Deep Promotions family. Okelo Vincent, big up on yourself. Yeah, thank you so much for always supporting. Yeah, for those of you who don't know what we usually do here at Into Deep Promotions, we share content from Northern Uganda to the rest of the world. And so far, so good. The content that I create is getting a lot of engagement, and I want to thank every one of you who is always being part of my channel. Yeah, who takes his time to watch my interviews. Yeah, I want to say big up on yourself, and thank you so much for always supporting. Now, over the weekend, we had the battle between Pato Loverboy and Eddie Wizzy. Yeah, it was a very, very massive one at Acholi Inn Gardens. Yeah, they had a serious musical battle which took place there. And I don't want to be biased in a way, because if I speak out my mind, I believe there are some people that will say I'm taking sides. But for those ones of you who were part of the event at Gardens, kindly leave down your comments and let us know who you think won. Otherwise, I want to send big shots out to everyone who is part of my live. Yeah, today I see our number is very big. We have like 121 people on this live. And it's really very, very surprising for me, because I never used to have this kind of number of people on my live. So to everyone who has joined, I want to welcome you all. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Tua, and this one here is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. On this channel, I share with you guys content from Northern Uganda here to the rest of the world. I keep you guys updated with what is happening here, especially on the entertainment scene. Yeah, I'm really so shocked. Like, the number of people on my live is really so overwhelming. Like, I've never had this number of people on my live at once ever since I opened up my channel, meaning that my channel is now reaching very, very many people across the world. Yeah, I want to send big shots out to you. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much for getting me to where I am right now. A few weeks back, I was only having like 9,000 subscribers, and right now I'm now having 18,000 subscribers on my channel. And I want to send my thanks to every one of you out there for supporting me. Yeah, big up on yourself. On this channel, you will always be updated with content from Northern Uganda to the rest of the world. If you go and check out my shorts, most of my shorts contain dance videos of our culture from Northern Uganda here. So make sure you also check out my shorts that I put up. Otherwise, please leave down a comment. Let me know where you're watching this live from. Otherwise, Gulu City is fine. I am currently in Gulu City, and everything is good here. The weather's okay. Everything is just 10 out of 10. Ken Luo Computers. Hello, how are you doing, Ken? Thank you so much for joining. Big up on yourself. Yeah, and for those ones of you who are part of the live, please leave down a comment. Let me know where you're watching from so that I can send big shots out to you. Yeah. So I was telling you guys about the battle between Pato Lava Boy and Eddie Wizzy. It was really, really very massive. And the battle pulled a very, very big audience. We had very many people that came to attend. And the performances were strictly live band, which was so massive. Eddie Wizzy put up a very, very good intro while entering the stage. The same also applied to Pato Lava Boy, but Eddie Wizzy was a bit unique because we had unique lights set up, you know. Yeah, so they will be in Kitgum on the 14th, which is this Saturday here. And the energy is really so high. The preparation is so massive. Yeah, both parties, Pato Lava Boy and Eddie Wizzy, are doing serious practice. They're doing very, very serious practice for the battle that is going to happen in Kitgum. So it's going to be very, very massive. To everyone who is in Kitgum, make sure you be part of the event. It's going to be happening at Boma Hotel. Entrance is only going to be 15,000, and then that is early bird. Sorry, entrance is going to be 10,000 early bird, and then 15,000 at the gate. VIP will be going for 50,000, and then a table of 5 will be going for 500,000. So make sure that you are there and you do not miss out. I'm seeing a message here from Vivian Anena. Vivian Anena, Kobango, Tinining. Yeah, thank you so much. Love from here, Saudi Arabia. I appreciate. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much, all the way from Saudi Arabia. Then I also have a message here from Chanda. It's called Chanda Albury. Thank you so much for the beautiful. Thank you so much for the beautiful sticker you've sent. Augustine Odon, all the way from Kampala. Big up on yourself. Chanda, I really, really appreciate your text. Big up on yourself. Yeah, and to everyone who is new on this channel, I want to let you know that on this channel, we keep you updated with what is happening around Uganda. Yeah, there's a lot that we share, especially about our culture, our ways of life. Yeah, most of you who are still new here, you can go and check out our videos. You can check out our shorts. Our shorts mostly contain dance videos. Yeah, for very beautiful Acholi ladies. Yeah, and then the normal videos that we put on our YouTube contain interviews and very many other events that happen in northern Uganda here. Augustine Odon, all the way from Kampala, big up on yourself. Luo Connect Worldwide. Thank you so much, Mr. Chua. I'm live streaming from Nairobi, and success to Eddie Wizzy in advance. Hey, big up on yourself there. A very big fan of Eddie Wizzy, all the way from Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, it's going to be so massive. Yeah, where are the fans of Pato Loverboy, by the way? Fans of Pato Loverboy in the house, can you please leave down your comments and, confirm your presence? But otherwise, everything is still pushing on well. I also have some good news for you people out there, especially those ones who are in Gulu City here. We are going to be having a Nigerian comedian called Sabinos. I believe most of you know Sabinos. Sabinos will be live in Gulu on the 5th of October 2024 at Acholi Inn Gardens. Yeah, we're going to be having the biggest comedy show in Gulu City here. Yeah, so make sure that you don't miss out. The only place to be is going to be Acholi Inn Gardens. Eh? 5th of October, we shall be having an international comedian known by the names of Sabinos. MC Cash Owakabi will be the one bringing for us this amazing event. Yeah, so make sure you don't miss out. Entrance is only, actually at the moment, early bird tickets are already being sold. We have early bird tickets for 30,000. That is August. Then September tickets, 40,000. Then at the gate will be 50,000. VIP will be going for 100,000. And then tables, we're having silver will be going for 500,000, gold will be going for 1 million, and platinum will be going for 1.5 million. Make sure that you don't miss this exciting comedy show. Yeah, Ken Luo Computer. Yes, Pretty B will be having her concert on the 14th. Yeah, on the same day, there's also Fikfa Maker, Polite Moscow at Buganda Pub. Yeah, those guys of Buganda Pub are always like that. They like causing this kind of confusion here. When it comes to events, they usually like putting their events on the same day with others, bringing a lot of confusion. But if you're a very big fan of Pretty B, please make sure that you be at you be at the Covenant in Gulu City. Actually, entrance for Pretty B's event is only going to be 7,000 ordinary. Then VIP will be going for 30,000. A table of 5 will be going for 250,000. Yeah. So make sure that you are part of it and you don't miss. So Ken Low Computers, there's a lot of politics in our music industry. Those are some of the things that are always happening here. But promoters are working so hard to see that these things are regulated, like events are regulated, so that we don't have this kind of complaints happening, like people doing events on the same day, Yeah, at least there should be one event in a day so that all this confusion is not there. Otherwise, where are you watching from? Please leave down a message. Let me know where you're watching from. Today, actually, I have the biggest number of people on my live. I have never had this number that I'm seeing today. So I even don't know what to say. I'm just so excited having this number of people on my live. I actually even can't believe it, but it's happening. I'm having very many people on my live today. I've never had this number of people on my live. I would have like 10, actually 10, 19, like that. But today I have very many people on my live. And I want to say I highly appreciate. Big up on yourself. Yeah, I want to thank Chanda. Chanda, thank you so much for the super thanks there. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. So, for those of you who are new to this channel, as I said earlier, on this channel, we share content from northern Uganda to the rest of the world. Yeah. Now, there's a very young DJ called DJ Obama. He is below 15 years and he's really doing very, very well. He'll be having his concert on the 30th of November at the Covenant. So let us come through and support him. He's a very promising talent there. Then I have a message here from Chris, all the way from Nigeria. Big up on yourself, Chris. Thank you so much for being part of my live. Yeah, my name is Tony Areo, all the way from Gulu, Uganda. Ochola Edward, greetings to you. Eddie Wizzy. Big up on yourself there, Ochola Edward, a very big fan of Eddie Wizzy. Yeah, on the 14th, they will be having the battle in Kitgum at Boma Hotel. It's going to be so massive. Yeah, for those of you who are at Acholi Inn, you can give us feedback and tell us who you think won. According to me, I saw they all put up a very good performance. Both Eddie Wizzy and Pato Boy put up very massive performances. I don't know from your side, but you can also let us know who you think performed better. Otherwise, I'll be updating you guys with a lot of content from northern Uganda here to the rest of the world. And if you go to our shorts, most of our shorts have dance videos promoting our culture. Yeah, and then if you go to the videos on the channel, mostly are interviews. Yeah, I have a lot of interviews on the channel. So please make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the live so that it also gets to reach very many people. Yeah. Otherwise, big up on yourself. Big up, and thank you so much for supporting me. Today, I'm just appreciating all of you guys for the love and support that you've shown all through. Can you imagine? We have managed to get like, okay, in a period of 2 weeks, I had like 9,000 subscribers, but right now I have 18,000. So we have managed to get like 9,000 subscribers on the channel within a very short period of time. And I am really short of words. I even don't know what to say. Like, we have really moved a big milestone. Yeah. And then I have Nam Alan watching all the way from Namasale Town Council. Big up on yourself. A big fan of Eddie Wizzy there. More Fire Entertainment. Yeah. And then Ken is telling me, next time bring for us Mr. Odongo, the stress killer. Yeah, I'm going to reach out to his management and I'll have Odongo, the stress killer, on my channel as well. Yeah, I'll have him on the channel, don't worry. Yeah, so please leave down a message. Let me know where you are watching my live from. And to all my supporters out there, there are very many ways you can support me on the channel. Yeah, there is what we call subscription. So make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and there is also membership. Yeah, you can also support me by subscribing for membership. Then there are those ones of you who can also support me using super thanks. Yeah, you can also support using super thanks on the channel. Yeah, we shall keep on sharing your links. It grows soon to 20K. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. yeah, we have to grow bigger and better. We have to grow bigger, bigger and better than where we are right now. So I want to thank everyone, every one of you who is on my live right now. Today, actually, I've had the biggest number of people on my live, and I highly appreciate. I want to send big shots to all of you, and wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are. Yeah, and for those ones who are watching for the first time, make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss any of our other updates. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to doing more lives and sharing what is happening around northern Uganda here with you guys. Otherwise, for now, I want to wish you all a good day wherever you are. Uh, I want to wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are. I'll see you soon in my next live. Big up on yourself.